Previously, Lucy Parker had barely arrived at Eastbrooke before she accidentally collided with Asher Calloway, the boy no one at school dared to mess with. Within a single day, she was labeled Scholarship Girl, becoming the center of gossip across campus, and was even assigned to sit right next to Asher. In this episode, things start getting even worse.
English. Daily love.
Well, look at that! A nice surprise for you. Who did this? Know your place. They really hate me.
Hey, have you seen the new post online?
I do not care, Ryder.
Whoa, take it easy. I did not put it there.
Just leave me alone. I have to go to class. She thinks she can survive here. How sad.
She will give up soon. Just wait.
You are very quiet today, Scholarship Girl.
Class is starting. Please be quiet.
Did you see the locker? Everyone is talking about it.
I have better things to focus on, Asher.
Who can explain the market drop in Chapter 4?
It happens because of the sudden supply chain failure, sir.
Not quite, Nathan. You missed a key detail.
Actually, it is because investors lost trust early on.
That is a really great point, Lucy.
Thank you, Nathan. I read the extra materials.
Let me try swiping it one more time. Hurry up, kid.
Card declined again. You have no funds.
Oh no, the scholarship money is late.
Wow. Guess the scholarship does not cover lunch. If you cannot pay, put the tray back.
Mind your own business, Madison. I am just stating facts. You are holding up the line. It is fine. Just put her lunch on my account.
Right away, Miss Hart.
Do not worry about it, Lucy. It happens to everyone.
Thank you. I will pay you back tomorrow.
Did you see that? Chloe tried to buy her loyalty, and she just walked off.
She has pride, Asher.
I hate owing them. I hate this place. I need to figure out a way to get extra money.
Running away from a free lunch? That is bad manners.
Move out of my way, Asher. I am busy.
Why do you act so tough? It must be exhausting.
I act tough because people like you think everything is a game.
Lucy, the counselor wants to see you in her office. Right now.
Me?
I don't know. It says mandatory academic meeting. Good luck in there. Do not get expelled.
Great. What else can go wrong today? Just breathe. You can handle this.
Have a seat, Lucy. We need to discuss your scholarship requirements.
Yes, Miss Bennett. My grades are perfect, right? Your grades are excellent. That is why you have been chosen for mandatory peer tutoring. Tutoring? Asher Calloway? You want me to tutor him? I cannot do this. He is awful to me. Please pick someone else.
This is part of your scholarship contract, Lucy. If you refuse, you lose your funding. So I have no choice at all.
It comes with a weekly cash stipend. I know you need it.
Take it home. Think about it tonight. Just sign it by tomorrow.
Fine. I will take it.
Another fake party. Another perfect smile. I am so sick of this.
What does she want now? Can I just have one night off? Everyone thinks I have it all figured out. If they only knew the truth.
Mom? Are you still doing the math?
Yes, honey. The electricity bill is higher this month.
You look so tired. Did you work a double shift again?
I am fine, Lucy. Do not worry about the money. Just focus on school. My joints are just a little stiff today. It is nothing. Have you eaten dinner yet?
I ate at school, Mom. Do not worry. I actually got some good news today. About a job.
A job? But you are already studying so hard.
It is just tutoring on campus. They pay really well.
It will help us.
I am so proud of you, Lucy. You always figure things out.
I have to. I have no other choice.
So you finally gave in. I knew you could not refuse.
Do not flatter yourself. I am doing this for the money.
Money, right. Everyone has a price, scholarship girl.
People have to survive, Asher. It is not a game.
I was just joking.
I am not laughing. Be in the library at 4.
Hey, wait.
Do not be late. I will not wait for you.
I heard she begged the counselor for a job. Pathetic.
Keep your voice down, Madison. We are studying.
Just ignore her.
You are doing great, Lucy.
Thank you, Nathan. I appreciate it.
Hey, Lucy. I got you an iced latte. You look tired.
Chloe? Why did you buy this for me?
Because we are friends now, and friends help each other. I don't drink coffee, and I don't need charity.
No one rejects me like that. Who does she think she is? This will be fun to watch.
She is working too hard. I am failing her as a mother. I have to find another job to help out.
What is this? Her new tutoring contract? Let's see who she is teaching.
Student. Asher Calloway. Not them! Anyone but them! They will ruin her!
Mom? What is wrong? Lucy, get over here right now.
Who forced you to sign this? Who made you talk to a Calloway?
The counselor did! It is mandatory!
You have to cancel it tomorrow. Tell them you quit. I can't. If I quit, I lose the scholarship. We need this money. You don't understand, Lucy. The Calloways, they destroy people. They destroyed me.
What do you mean, Mom? How do you know them?
I cannot talk about it. Just stay away from that boy.
I am not quitting, Mom. I earned this scholarship. You don't know them, Lucy. Please listen to me.
I am here. Let's get this over with.
Sit down and open chapter 4.
I don't read books, Lucy. Just give me the answers.
I am not doing your homework for you. Read the page. If you fail, I lose my job. So please, just try.
Fine. Where do we start?
So,
The market drops because of consumer panic?
exactly. You got it right.
You should smile more often. It changes your whole face.
Focus on the next paragraph, Asher. Why is Asher talking to that trashy scholarship girl? She's tutoring him, but she's getting too comfortable.
My whole life is just a business deal. I hate this place.
Extra credit means extra work. Just keep moving. Almost done with this section.
Watch where you are standing. You are in my way.
You bumped into me. Are you the event staff? Your clothes look terrible.
I am a student here. Just like you.
Leave her alone, Sienna. She did nothing wrong.
Asher? Why are you defending her?
I said drop it. We have a party to attend. Let's go.
Fine. Whatever.
She can be awful.
I did not ask for your help, Asher. I can handle myself. Do not act like my hero. It just makes things worse for me.
I was just trying to do the right thing for once.
Excuse me. I have work to finish.
She is impossible.
What is her name? Her name is Lucy Parker, sir. Daughter of Elena Parker.
Elena Parker? She sent her daughter here? This needs to end immediately.
I would prefer my son to work with a different academic tutor moving forward.
Mr. Calloway, his academic performance has improved significantly.
Oh, excuse me. I did not realize you were in a meeting.
Please come in, Miss Parker. We were discussing your tutoring work. You are clearly talented. I believe your academic future should remain your top priority.
I am simply following the tutoring assignment requested by the school, sir.
Your mother faced difficult decisions years ago. I hope your future takes a better path.
What do you mean about my mother?
Have a good day at school, Lucy.
He knows her. Mom was right. Asher! We need to talk! Right now!
Whoa, slow down. What happened?
Your father just threatened me. What did your family do to my mother?
My father? I have no idea what you are talking about.
He doesn't know. You really don't know. I have to go home. Mom, tell me the truth right now. Lucy, why are you home so early? I met Grant Calloway today. He knew who I was. He mentioned you.
Oh no, he recognized you. I spent years trying to keep our past hidden. I only wanted you to stay away from that world.
Mom, please stop crying and tell me, what did he do to you?
I used to be his head accountant 10 years ago.
He committed massive fraud. When the police came, he framed me to save himself. I lost my career, our house, everything.
He destroyed our lives. And now his son looks down on me for being poor. It is so unfair.
You must quit school tomorrow. We have to move. He will ruin you too. No, Mom. We are done running.
I spent too long being afraid of all this. Now I just want to move forward and prove myself.
No more crying. No more hiding. Let them stare.
Look who is back. Did you wash that cardigan yet? Get out of my way, Madison. You are boring.
Lucy, I need to talk to you about yesterday. I am sorry if my father scared you. He is a difficult man.
Your father is a monster, and you are blind.
Figure it out yourself. If you are smart enough.
From now on, we are just study partners, nothing else.
Okay. Just study partners. I understand.
Good morning, Lucy. You look ready for the test.
Good morning, Nathan. Yes, I am more than ready.
Why is she walking like she owns the place? Because she stopped caring what we think. Dangerous.
She is fighting a war I don't even understand.
Yeah.
But I am going to find out.
You want me to fail. You want me to disappear. Watch me win.
She reminds me of someone I knew a long time ago. I need to approach this situation carefully.
I will not let him hurt my daughter. It is time to fight back.
That test was brutal, but you definitely got an A.
I hope so. I studied all night for it.
She hates me, and she is right to hate me. I have to fix this.
The scholarship girl is causing too much trouble. Asher is distracted. So what do we do about her, Chloe?
We do nothing. We just watch the Calloways destroy her. It will be a great show.
They have all the money. They have all the power. But I have nothing left to lose. You wanted me to know my place? My place is right here. At the top.
Bring it on, Calloway. I am ready.
See you in English Daily Love.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe and stay with the channel. More simple and emotional stories are coming, and we will learn English together through each other. See you in the next story.